Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Fishing Poles is probably one of the most exciting ways to introduce your child to the joys of fishing. It's a fantastic opportunity to spend quality time outdoors, teaching valuable lessons about patience and the environment. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect fishing pole for your little one? In this video, we'll explore the top choices and what to consider before you buy. Number 5. ODDSPRO Kids Fishing Pole Combo Kit. This kit includes everything needed for a fishing adventure. It comes with a tackle box and various accessories suitable for different fishing scenarios. It's perfect for young anglers. The kit includes a soft casting plug to practice casting skills. An instruction manual is also provided, helping beginners learn how to fish quickly. It's designed to make learning fun and easy. Designed with kids in mind, the rod is easy to handle, even when wet. Available in different sizes, it's suitable for kids of various ages. It ensures a comfortable and enjoyable fishing experience. The fishing rod features a collapsible design, making it easy to carry. A travel bag is also included, protecting the poles and accessories. It's perfect for on-the-go fishing trips. This fishing kit is a great gift for kids of all experience levels. It's simple to use and provides everything needed to start angling. It's an ideal present for birthdays or Christmas. What we like. This kit comes with everything a beginner needs, making it a great starting point. It's designed for easy use, even for tiny hands, ensuring a frustration-free experience. If you're looking for a complete, portable fishing solution for your kids, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want to get started right away. What people say. These were so fun on our camping trip. My kids got the casting down right away, super easy for them. The quality was great, no issues with either pole. Easy to pack up quickly. Would buy again. This fishing pole is awesome. It doesn't get tangled and my son has so much fun fishing with it. This was a nice little beginner's fishing pole set. My granddaughter loves it and I am excited to teach her about fishing. It has everything we need to get started. Number 4. Kids Fishing Rod Set with Tackle Box. Introducing the perfect fishing kit for young anglers. This kit includes a telescopic fishing rod, spinning reel, minnow net, and a tackle box packed with gear. It's everything they need to get started on their fishing adventures. Casting and retrieving is simple. The rod is even reversible for left-handed casting. The reel comes pre-spooled with line, and a beginner's guide provides helpful tips and tricks. The green tackle box is filled with essential fishing accessories. It includes bobbers, hooks, sinkers, swivels, lures, and a fishing net. This ensures they're well equipped for any fishing situation. Forget the bait shop. This kit encourages kids to catch their own bait, providing hours of fun. They can chase crickets and minnows, adding an extra element of excitement to their fishing experience. The fishing rod collapses for easy storage and travel. The entire kit fits perfectly in the included carrying bag, making it convenient to take anywhere. No assembly is needed, so they can start fishing right away. What we like. This kit is designed with beginners in mind, including a guide and instructional videos. It comes with a fully loaded tackle box, so you're ready for various fishing situations. If you're looking for a kit that encourages hands-on learning and fun, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who love to explore and learn by doing. What people say. Everything worked well and of course the pink color is a plus. The pole has worked really well on multiple occasions and she's caught a ton of fish using it and the supplies that come with it. Love that it comes with everything to get started on first fishing trip and that it has a bag to keep everything together. Number 3. WIDDEN Kids Fishing Pole Combo Kit. This WIDDEN fishing pole set includes everything your kids need. It comes with 2 fishing poles, buckets, nets, a tackle box, and various accessories. It's perfect for young anglers to start their fishing adventures. The fishing rod is retractable and the bucket is foldable, making it easy to carry. You can take them anywhere. It's designed specifically for children, making it convenient for them to use. The toddler fishing pole is made with 4-layer fiberglass cloth, ensuring good toughness. The guide eyes are made of stainless steel, making it more durable. It's built to last and safe for kids. The soft EVA handle provides a non-slip grip, even when wet. The electroplated reel is fashionable, beautiful, and odorless. It's designed with the environment in mind. This youth fishing pole is ideal for children over 5 years old. It's a great gift for birthdays, Children's Day, or Christmas. If you have any questions, please contact us for a solution. Remember to tighten the fishing line to avoid entanglement. What we like. This set includes 2 fishing poles, nets, and a double-layer tackle box, perfect for fishing with a friend. The rod is made with durable materials and designed with safety in mind. If you're looking for a kit that promotes sharing and environmental consciousness, this is a great option. It's ideal for siblings or friends who want to fish together. What people say. The fishing pole is very easy to use. It is a great product for kids. The reel is smooth and easy to operate. Number 2. Zebco Splash Junior Spinning Reel and Rod Combo. This combo is perfect for young anglers. It's designed to make fishing easy and fun, helping kids take their fishing skills to the next level. The patented no-tangle design ensures a smooth experience. This combo is simple and stylish, making it perfect for kids aged 6 to 9. With a 4-foot rod and appropriate components, it's sized just right. It includes a casting plug for practice, whether in the backyard or at the lake. The EVA foam handle provides hours of comfort. It's ideal for catching panfish, trout, and other light to medium fish. The size 10 reel has all metal gears for a smooth retrieve. It comes pre-spooled with 6-pound line, so you can start fishing right away. Zebco has been a trusted name in fishing since 1949. This product is warranted for 1 year against defects, ensuring its quality and reliability. What we like. This combo is designed to be easy to use, with a no-tangle design. It features a comfortable EVA foam handle for hours of fishing fun. If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable fishing experience, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for young anglers aged 6 to 9 who want a smooth and enjoyable fishing experience. What people say. It's just the right size, good quality, and has a smooth reel. Lightweight but very sturdy and solid, reels smoothly and casts great. Perfect for my 8-year-old to fish in the pond. Great size and easy to use. Number 1. Shakespeare Youth Fishing Kit. Introducing the Shakespeare Youth Fishing Kits. This all-in-one rod and reel combo is perfect for young anglers. It's designed to make fishing easy and fun for kids. This kit includes a 2 feet 6 inches rod and reel, complete with fishing line. It's the perfect size for young children to handle. They will be ready to fish right away. The updated design features a round knob, thumb button extension, and finger guard. These features make it easier and safer for kids to use. It provides better control and prevents injuries. The kit includes an on-off instant anti-reverse bearing. This feature helps prevent the reel from spinning backward. It makes it easier to reel in fish. It also has a machined, ported, and double anodized aluminum spool that's braid ready. This spool is durable and can handle various fishing lines. It ensures smooth casting and reeling. The EVA handle knob provides lightweight comfort. It's designed to be easy to grip, even with wet hands. This ensures a comfortable fishing experience for the kids. What we like. This rod and reel combo is designed for ease of use, featuring a simple design. It's lightweight and comfortable, perfect for young anglers. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use setup, this is a great choice. It's ideal for kids who want to get started quickly and enjoy fishing without any hassle. What people say. The fishing pole is a telescopic, so it fits very small. Functions exactly as it should. Casting and reeling are both smooth. The Cars-themed graphics are a hit with young kids, making them excited to use their very own fishing pole. The push-button casting system makes it simple for beginners to cast without tangles or frustration. The reel functionality is also easy to use and to teach kids. My son is 2.5 and has been able to figure it out. Despite being a kid's rod, it's sturdy enough to handle real fishing trips. The compact size makes it easy to carry on family fishing outings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.